Thinking about using IONOS for your website? Whether you're a small business owner, blogger, or launching an e-commerce store, let's break down whether IONOS is actually worth your money. In this IONOS review video, I'll cover its features, pricing, speed, and my honest pros and cons. I'll provide a link in the description below to IONOS, where you'll get an IONOS discount and you'll get web hosting as low as $1 a month plus a free domain name. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link. You may not receive a commission from IONOS at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome IONOS discount. Let's get started with the IONOS review. So what is IONOS? IONOS, formerly known as 1&1, is a European-based web hosting company that's been around for over 30 years. It offers a range of services from domain names to shared hosting, cloud hosting, WordPress hosting, managed WordPress hosting, WooCommerce hosting, website builder, VPS hosting, dedicated servers, along with email hosting, email marketing service, SSL certificates, Office add-ons, and more. Let's talk pricing. IONOS is one of the most affordable options, especially for beginners. Their shared hosting starts at just $1 a month for the first 12 months, which is hard to beat. The Essential plan runs as low as $4 a month. This plan is perfect for beginners. It includes one website, 10 GB storage, a free domain, SSL, and email. The starter plan runs as low as $6 a month. This plan is good if you want multiple sites, as it comes with 10 websites, 100 GB SSD storage, and offers more performance and resources than the Essential plan. It's ideal if you want a bit more speed and reliability. The Plus plan runs as low as $1 a month for 12 months, then $12 a month. This is the best value for most people. You can host unlimited websites, get unlimited storage, a free domain, SSL, daily backups, and scalable performance. The Ultimate plan runs as low as $10 a month. This plan is best for high traffic or business critical sites. It includes everything in Plus, but with enhanced CPU and RAM and maximum performance. If you're launching a single blog or a portfolio, the Essential or Starter plan is plenty. But for most users who want room to grow or host multiple sites, the Plus plan is the real sweet spot. Now, if you're specifically planning to build your site on WordPress, IONOS also offers WordPress optimized hosting with similar pricing and some added perks. WordPress hosting also starts at $1 a month, and it comes with pre-installed WordPress, automatic updates, and performance tuning tailored for WordPress sites. And if you need more power or flexibility than shared hosting can offer, IONOS also has VPS plans starting at just $2 a month. Just be aware, after the promo period, the price jumps, so keep that in mind when budgeting. Features. So what do you actually get? Free domain for 1 year, free SSL certificate, 24/7 customer support via chat and phone, DDoS protection, daily backups on most plans, custom email address, and website builder included. And if you're using WordPress, they've got optimized hosting for that too, pre-installed and ready to go. Speed and performance. IONOS has solid performance thanks to its data centers in the US and Europe. I tested a fully functioning website so you can see how a fully functioning website will perform. The site loaded on average in 1.6 seconds. Great website performance. I also did a performance test, and here are the results with all the different locations. Something to keep in mind is that I chose a server in the US, so you'll see great performance in the US as it's closest to the data center. You'll see the DNS speed, time to connect, TLS, and time to first byte. Great performance. IONOS also provides you with a 99.99% uptime guarantee. For the price point, that's more than respectable. Ease of use. The control panel isn't cPanel, it's IONOS' own system. That can be a little weird at first if you're used to cPanel, but it's clean and beginner friendly once you get the hang of it. Plus there's a mobile app so you can manage your site on the go. Customer support. When it comes to customer support, IONOS actually stands out in a few key ways, especially compared to other budget hosts. IONOS offers 24/7 support via phone and live chat, a dedicated personal consultant, even on basic plans, a knowledge base with articles and tutorials. One thing that makes IONOS unique is that they assign you a personal consultant, someone you can reach out to directly with questions. This is rare, especially at this price point. Now that you've seen what IONOS has to offer, let's break it down with some quick pros and cons so you can decide if it's the right fit for your website. Pros. Extremely affordable intro pricing. Free domain and SSL. Great for small sites. Phone support available even for basic plans. Cons. Prices increase after the promo period. no traditional cPanel, the Essential plan has limited storage. So what is IONOS for? If you're just getting started, maybe launching a portfolio, blog, or small business site, IONOS is one of the best bang for your buck hosts. If you're running a larger e-commerce store or need advanced tools, upgrading to a more powerful plan can provide the performance and features to support your growth. I've got a link below with the latest IONOS discounts if you want to check them out. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Let me know in the comments if you're using IONOS or thinking about it. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more web hosting reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.